Hey guys, please welcome to my channel that's Mom's Passion. Let's have a tour of our empty apartment. A strong steel gate provides extra safety to apartment which is present outside the main entrance door. The beautifully designed steel gate provides extra safety, also modifies the look of our external door. While designing a home or an apartment, it's truly a challenge. The color which suits our wall, the color of the furniture is a true experiment. A living room is a place where we spend most of our time, so it was important for us to create a balanced atmosphere. Here we try to make an antique look of our furniture and lights. It looks aesthetically appealing and also attractive. We choose the handles of our furniture so as the designs which will match our contemporary theme of the living room. The interior light is one of the most important aspects of the living space. It has the ability to change the mood of any living space. This tall bar unit with smoky walnut color and G5 or the nano white countertop with rose gold handles of the cabinets looks really gorgeous. Here is a passage for the entrance of two of our bedrooms, which we have paneled with veneer and polished with PU to make it look more pretty and elegant, and it also suits our contemporary theme of the living room. Here it is a loft for extra storage of a house. The loft is being covered by the lacquered glass and the handles are again antique one. These cabinets are on the dining area of the hall, and the glass cabinets are specially for the soft toys and others are for storage. The windows are installed with double brackets. In the hall, the right side is the passage for the two of our bedrooms and the other side is our kitchen and the guest bedroom. And there is also a balcony attached to the hall. And here is the view of our kitchen. This is our breakfast counter. The kitchen is designed with lacquer glass with a black and orange color combination. This is a 3-bedroom apartment, and this balcony is attached with the hall area and other two balconies are with other 2 bedrooms. This is going to be our guest bedroom, also the puja room and also study room. This is a common washroom. This is our first bedroom. Two of the walls has been designed with wooden texture and antique handles and given a break by the lacquered glass. It was an experiment, but it turned out to be so beautiful and we really loved the way how it looks. This is our second balcony, which is attached with the bedroom, and we have given a cafeteria look and we will make it our sit out area. This is going to be the bedroom of my daughter. We have tried to give the overall look of the bedroom a girlish look, and my daughter really happy with the overall look of the colors of the wardrobes and overall look of the house. All the windows has been provided with triple track system to avoid the entry of the mosquitoes inside the house. Sorry guys, the apartment needs to be more clean, and I'm super excited to move in, and I will share more videos and pics related to our new apartment. And please ignore my look of the day. I'm so tired